Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're taking a look at the top 5 best airflow PC cases, a must-have for anyone building a high-performance rig that stays cool under pressure. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or doing heavy creative work, good airflow is key to keeping your components running smoothly and efficiently. In this video, we'll highlight PC cases that offer great thermal performance, smart layouts, quality materials, and sleek designs. Our picks are based on cooling capability, build quality, cable management, and overall value. You'll find links to all the featured cases in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Let's jump in and find the perfect case to keep your system cool and powerful. Number 5. NZXT H9 Flow. The NZXT H9 Flow Airflow PC case, a dual-chamber mid-tower designed for top-tier cooling, stands out in the realm of PC cases. Crafted to handle powerful GPUs, it boasts ample space for 10 fans and multiple 360mm radiators. Its unique, uninterrupted glass panel provides a clear interior view, while the intuitive cable management and dual-chamber design enhance organization and aesthetics. With a perforated top panel, the case ensures superior cooling, directing airflow straight to the GPU, a necessity for high-powered components. It's compatible with the latest NVIDIA 40 series and AMD 7000 series cards, thanks to its 435mm GPU clearance. The case also supports various motherboard sizes, including Mini ITX, Micro ATX, and ATX, making it versatile. Users will appreciate the ease of use with its front I/O ports that include USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2, along with a headset audio jack. The NZXT H9 Flow is more than a case. It's a comprehensive solution for building a high-performance PC, ensuring components stay cool and function at their best. With a 2-year warranty, it's a reliable choice for PC enthusiasts looking to build a system that stands out both in performance and style. Number 4. Corsair 4000D Airflow. The Corsair 4000D Airflow PC case is a mid-tower ATX case that combines minimalist design with exceptional functionality, ideal for building a high-performance PC. Its solid steel front panel not only provides a sharp look, but also ensures durability, with ample ventilation channels for increased airflow. The case features the innovative Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System, allowing for easy and tidy cable routing, enhancing the overall clean and professional appearance of the build. Equipped with 2 Corsair 120mm air guide fans, which utilize anti-vortex vanes, the case ensures concentrated and effective airflow, crucial for cooling high-end components. Its interior is spacious, capable of housing up to 6 120mm or 4 140mm cooling fans and multiple radiators, including a 360mm in the front and a 280mm in the roof. The 4000D also provides ample storage options, supporting up to 2 2.5-inch SSDs and 2 3.5-inch HDDs, with flexible SSD trays. Additionally, the case is vertical GPU mount ready, offering a secure way to display your GPU prominently. The front panel I/O includes a USB 3.1 Type-C port, a USB 3.0 port, and a combo audio microphone jack, making connections easily accessible. The case's easy slide-on, slide-off side panel design allows for effortless showcasing of internal components and RGB lighting, making the Corsair 4000D Airflow an ideal choice for those who value both aesthetics and performance in their PC builds. Number 3. MSI MPG Gungnir 300R Airflow. The MSI MPG Gungnir 300R Airflow PC case is a cutting-edge enclosure designed to meet the dynamic needs of modern gamers and PC builders. It represents the pinnacle of MSI's Gungnir series, known for its distinctive styles and bold approach to gaming fashion. The case boasts exceptional heat dissipation capabilities, ensuring your system remains cool under heavy load. Its versatile design includes an omnidirectional graphics card stand, adjustable without tools, making it a DIY-friendly option for various card sizes and installation methods. The case also features a sliding HDD tray and a switchable GPU bracket, simplifying the installation process. In terms of appearance, the MPG Gungnir 300R does not disappoint, offering controllable ARGB lighting for an aesthetically pleasing build. The front I/O panel is equipped with modern connectivity options, including including USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2 by 2 Type-C ports, alongside audio jacks and LED control. The case's one-piece 1mm perforated front panel supports dual 360mm AIO liquid coolers at the front and top, enabling push-pull setup and compatibility with high-end graphics cards in both vertical and horizontal orientations. It comfortably accommodates eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, with ample room for a 360mm GPU, pre-installed with 4x120mm ARGB fans, compatible with MSI's Mystic Light. The MPG Gungnir 300R Airflow blends high-performance cooling with a striking design, making it an excellent choice for gamers and enthusiasts who seek both style and substance in their PC build. Number 2. Lian Lancool 2-Mesh RGB. The Lian Lancool 2-Mesh RGB Airflow PC case is a remarkable synthesis of aesthetics and functionality, tailor-made for both beginners and seasoned PC enthusiasts. This mid-tower case features a mesh front panel and additional mesh sections, combined with a honeycomb vent design, which ensures optimal airflow to keep high-performance components cool. It comes equipped with 3 ARGB 120mm fans, not only enhancing cooling efficiency, but also adding a vibrant RGB touch to your PC build. The case's design supports exceptional modularity, including hinged flip panels for easy access and a versatile fan radiator bracket, offering multiple installation options. It accommodates up to 9 drives with its modular drive cage and additional SSD mounting points. Cable management is simplified thanks to cleverly designed cover plates and a 2-way cable management bar, keeping the interior neat. The Lancool 2-Mesh is also notable for its robust steel craftsmanship and the option of tempered glass panels, providing a clear view of the internal components. Available in black or white, it allows for personalization to fit any style. Furthermore, the case is designed with future upgrades in mind, offering optional kits for additional customization. This makes the Lancool 2-Mesh RGB not just a PC case, but a cornerstone for building and evolving a dream PC setup. Number 1. Fractal Design North. The Fractal Design North Airflow PC case is a fusion of style and functionality, bringing a new aesthetic to gaming setups with its natural materials and bespoke details. This case, a Red Dot Design Award winner, effortlessly blends into living spaces, featuring real oak or walnut fronts, faux leather tabs, and accents in steel or brass. It's designed with gaming in mind, supporting radiators up to 360mm in the front and offering space for a GPU up to 355mm. The case accommodates ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards, and offers easy access through removable side panels and an integrated tab for the top panel. Ventilation is optimized with an open front and mesh top panel, and for storage, it includes 2 combined 3.5-inch/2.5-inch drive mounts and 2 dedicated 2.5-inch mounts. The North also excels in versatility, allowing up to 6 120mm or 4 140mm fans, with 2 Aspect 14 PWM fans already included. Its thoughtful design is rounded off with features like a Type-C interface, flexible storage options, and dedicated cable management solutions, making it not just a case, but a statement piece that enhances any gaming station. So that's it for the best Airflow PC cases of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.